Look at this. There's no other airplanes here.
So you saw the room that I was about to stay in with Todd. It's a bit small. This one's still pretty small, as you can see.
Yeah, we took a van from El Nido and we're at this waterfall. It cost us $6 each with the guide, and then we're gonna walk through water. Pretty hot here. You can tell I'm sweating. Lots of crossing rivers and trying not to fall and drop my camera. We made it to Nakpan Beach here in El Nido. This is our first official beach and it's not too crowded. That's pretty nice.
Okay, so we just met these amazing people and they wanted to say hi.
Hi! You're great. Hi, YouTube land. Hi. Welcome to the Philippines.
Moist.
It really doesn't bother me.
Moist.
There are worse words. Not okay. Disgusting.
Hello, how are you? How are things?
It can be.
I'm introducing myself to the locals.
Don't let Shawn drink. That's the...
I'm just drinking Sprite.
I can't imagine Shawn drunk.
Good friends,
How he makes friends.
Alright, let's try that three-way kiss. What we'll be doing is we're making this hair into something marvelous.
We're at Trattoria Altro. I think is the best rated restaurant in El Nido. And there's always a line out front. We're finally gonna try it.
Almost tickles.
Found the best fruit shakes here in El Nido. It's right here, kind of near where the tourists take off. I got a pineapple. I just got a medium like an hour ago. I got large this time. We're at 10 Plate, right down the street from Shawn's nice hotel. This is our last lunch here in El Nido.
This is our last night in El Nido. We decided to go back to our favorite restaurant, Big Bad Thai. If you're ever in El Nido, you want to check this out. This is the first place to stop to eat.